As you can see, there are a few heads of turtles that are popping up in the water. These turtles are directly in the habitat of other animals and wildlife in Woodward Park. It's important that we take steps to reduce the population of red-eared slider turtles. In my community, this would mean to avoid purchasing these pets, because pet owners of red-eared slider turtles usually purchase them when they're very small, but they usually grow, or they do grow, very large to the point where pet owners are unable to take care of them, proper care of them. So they come to Woodward Park and they drop them in the water. They dispose of them that way. So it's important as a pet owner, before you purchase, to make sure that you have the ability to take care of these red-eared slider turtles. We have to be thoughtful if we are going to purchase and have these turtles as pets. Something else that we can do, as I am doing, is that I'm recording the presence of red-eared slider turtles at Woodward Park. And what I can do in my community is that I can call my local Fish and Wildlife Department and report the presence of these turtles at this location. I could also try to catch these turtles and send them and bring them to the Department of Wildlife, Fish and Wildlife. But as you can see, these turtles are very common and they're very easily seen. So they are plentiful. So another part of my solution is to make sure that we bring the ratio down of turtles to other wildlife, such as fish, duck, and geese. However, these turtles, a lot of them remain unseen. These are only a fraction of the amount that are present, that are allowing themselves to be seen. So part of my community action and plan is that we specifically identify the population that is in our park of Woodward Park and reduce them in a ratio that is healthy compared to the rest of the wildlife here. And this can be done over a period of years. And the plan would be, by the end of the decade, to reduce the amount of red-eared slider turtles by about 80%. And through community involvement and practices that we could take within our community, appropriate to our local resources and ordinances at the park, Woodward Park, we'd be able to reach our goal and better the ecosystem and preserve the biodiversity and environment of Woodward Park.